All right. Cooker King since 1993.
Hey guys, this was sent to me to review. So as you can see, it's not been used. That's one funky looking lid.
I'll say this much, it's flat.
It's very flat.
I've never seen a flat lid before. But that's stainless steel.
Yeah, it's stainless steel. It's weighted at the bottom.
It's got a pattern in there.
It looks, for it being flat, it's pretty heavy there. So let me check this out. Because I want to see if that's Teflon in there.
And this is the model number.
It doesn't say that it's Teflon, so it's just stainless steel. That's just the design in it. It has a non-stick coating, formulated not to chip, peel under normal household use. So that's good. And probably it won't because of the design that's in there. But this is actually a pretty little heavy pot. That's nice. I like that.
Well, I'll cook my butter garlic in that and see
how you like it.
what it withstands. But that's what it's saying right here. It works on all stove tops, dishwasher use, oven safe. I don't know what the halogen means. Oh, there must be a different type of oven. It's a forged core stainless steel. Inner stainless steel liner. Stronger and healthier. That's what it is. Laser-etched ceramic coating.
Ah, okay.
So you got to be careful that you don't use metal spoons. So it's laser etched with non-stick coating that is stronger and free of toxic chemicals, can be used with shovel. Okay.
A shovel?
it's I'm just reading what it says.
Okay.
But the thing is will that handle get hot? That's the other thing that we're going to have to see too.
You'll find that out today when you use it.
Yeah. But I like it. It's a flat top. It's not the basic round top there. It's flat. And it looks pretty cool. So we will see how this works. Like I said, this is connected to it. So the only thing that's going to come down to is, will this handle get hot?
Yeah.
That's what we will see. And see, it says here, handles and knobs. It says handles and knobs can get very hot under certain condition. Always have pot holders available for use when cooking. Make sure handle are not positioned over the hot burner. Some handles and knobs that are attached with a screw may loosen over time. This occurs, this should be retightened. Do not over tighten. As a result, when damaged, the lid and the knot and the screw can be tightened. Handles are riveted, welded. Please contact customer service. So there goes that answer there.
There goes that answer.
Yeah.
So that means you better make sure you've got a pot holder.
Well, we're gonna
close
see.
by.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna use I might put I'm not worried about the lid on it. I am gonna see how the handle does, but if it does get hot and you need pot holders, then you take it what you think of the use of this, but we're gonna find out. All right, I'm gonna use this cooking thing to make my garlic sauce. Cooker King. All right, as far as the Cooker King goes, the handle is not hot. I had it on low, so I guess like the box says, it's all gonna depend if you have this on high, how long you have this on here. But I feel like cooking it normal, this is not getting hot. So, but it doesn't mean you touch before you grab. But no, this does not get hot when it's cooked the right way and the heat is not over here and everything. So Cooker King, pretty good.
Okay guys, as you've seen, we used it in cooking. The handle did not get hot, but cameraman was keeping it low. I say overall, it's a nice little pot. It's good and heavy. Gets warm quick because it's got the heavy bottom. So, if y'all are into needing some new pots, I would check them out. It's Cooker King. Boy, there's a tongue twister.
And the link will be in the description. It was easy to clean.
Yes.
I like the flat top.
Yeah.
I like the inside.
Yeah, I like that too.
And again, I had it on warm. It didn't get hot to handle, but I didn't have it over any flames or anything. But that doesn't mean to test it before you full on grab it.
Yeah, I would always probably keep a pot holder nearby.
Just in case.
Especially if you've got the handle probably inward like this and another pot going. Which you shouldn't do that, but some people do. They don't think, and you cook your hand. So until the next one, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.